The Adidas Ultraboost has been one of the most iconic sneakers to come out in this decade. It is super comfortable. The technology in it is just something else, and it really elevated sneakers to the lifestyle stage together with performance when it came out. So this is my Ultraboost Klima. This is my Ultraboost 4.0 in a triple white color. I've owned several Ultraboosts through the years, and today we get to unbox and check out the newest iteration of the Adidas Ultraboost. This is the Adidas Ultraboost 5.0 DNA. We'll unbox it, put it on feet, check it out. Keep on watching. Let's go. Now, before we get to the Ultraboost, let me just do a quick reaction because I just found out. I saw on the Facebook page of Complex that Adidas just signed up Fear of God's Jerry Lorenzo to be their business and creative head for their basketball division. That is insane. That is crazy. Congratulations, Adidas. Congratulations, Fear of God. Congratulations, Jerry Lorenzo. I am super excited to see what 2021 has in store for us from their basketball division with that guy in the lead. Man, Adidas is stepping up, and I am so excited to see what will happen in the next few years with Jerry at the helm of their basketball group. Wow, sobrang exciting. But anyway, let's get to the shoe. Now, with previous Ultraboosts, they all look like the same box. This one comes in a very special box. So it has the Artemis logo over here, and it even has like a bunch of text and graphics at the box, because this is actually a collaboration between Adidas and the International Space Station and their Artemis program. You're probably wondering, Carlo, what is the Artemis program? Well, to those who don't know, Artemis is actually the goddess of the moon in Greek mythology. She is the sister of Apollo. And the Artemis program is all about sending the first woman and the next man to the moon. And that's why you have this graphic over here at the back, the details of how they will actually get those people to the moon via this complicated procedure that they have over here. Why is there collaboration between the International Space Station and Adidas? Because apparently last year, I think, with their first collab for the Ultraboost 20, they sent Boost to space to study how the material responds to situations where there's no gravity, so that they could see things that they wouldn't normally see here on Earth, so that they can further improve the technology. Now, to be honest, right now, it's kind of all hype because we haven't seen how it actually delivers, but hopefully in the next few months or years, we get to see the fruit of the labor of sending Boost to space. But anyway, it comes in this very special box. You have the Artemis logo, you have the moon, you have the graphics over here. There's a QR code. When you snap it and go, it actually goes to the site where it tells you why they are sending Boost to space. And if you pop this box open, ba-bam, guys, this is it. This is the Adidas Ultraboost 5.0 DNA. And this is the special tissue paper that I completely wrecked, aka Matteo Guidocelli. By the way, quick shout out to Heskix, one of my favorite sneaker YouTubers. He's the reason why I ended up buying the shoe, because I first saw this sneaker on his YouTube channel. So when I saw it, I said, I want to get my hands on that as well. So I ended up buying it. A link down below to his channel. So anyway, this is the Ultraboost 5.0. The 5.0 being reference to the different uppers that they use and the patterns for the different Ultraboost variations. And speaking of variations, this is a special Ultraboost because it uses the prime blue material, which is kind of like the recycled, I think, material that they use for the Parley Ultraboosts and Parley sneakers that came out in the past. So if you're environmentally conscious, you might appreciate this a little more. Now, this particular colorway, you have some sort of like royal gym blue for the upper. You have a silver metallic Boost midsole that is pretty much similar to previous Boost midsoles that we've seen with the Ultraboost iterations in the past, with the exception of the 19 and the 20 that had like thicker Boost, and it was really more performance than it was for leisure. Now, if you take a look at the tongue tab, you have over here the Artemis logo, and you have another variation of the Artemis logo, which is actually the silhouette of a woman and the moon. Again, the goal is to send the first woman and the next man to the moon. You have some sort of semi-translucent cage for the upper of the shoe. And then you have, of course, that trusty Continental rubber outsole to help with traction and durability, protecting the boost as well from the elements. Of course, you have the typical Ultraboost heel clip with Ultraboost written on it. Now, the big question is, how is the Ultraboost 5.0 on feet? And to be straightforward with you guys, it feels like the Ultraboost 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0 in terms of cushioning. I think the only difference that I could feel when I put it on feet was that the upper wasn't as stretchy, and Heskix also pointed that out in his vlog. Maybe it's because of the prime blue material, but it's not really super noticeable. It really feels like an Ultraboost. I mean, there's nothing so different about it, like so breakthrough about it in terms of the feel. It just felt like the same Ultraboost that I've loved and that I've rocked through the years, which I think is nice. Why do I say that? Because the Ultraboost 20 and the Ultraboost 19 were primarily really for running, and the thicker boost in the midfoot area actually made it kind of increase the foot fatigue, at least for me. Maybe I have flat feet. If I would wear it just for walking over an extended period of time. So the Ultraboost 2019 for me wasn't a great everyday casual shoe. I would always default to my 1.0s to 4.0s. And that's why I'm so happy to see a new generation with the 5.0, new upper, better, I don't know, environmentally friendly material for the knit, and a new story behind it to have as an everyday casual sneaker. So that's why I actually love the idea of bringing back this particular line. Now, the big question is, should you buy one? Well, obviously the design has a lot to do with it. So just pick the Ultraboost 5.0 that speaks to you in terms of looks. There's a gray one that Heskix reviewed. There's a black and white one that I originally wanted. And there's this crazy blue and silver one. That's one of the standout colorways within the 5.0 DNA set. Now, if you are totally digging the Artemis program ISS collaboration, they have multiple sneakers with this set. I believe I saw an Ultraboost 20 with this theme. I saw, I think it was one of those Explorer Level 3. And there was even like a ZK2, ZX2 Boost version that I saw in Adidas over at the podium. So there is something for everyone. So if you want an Ultraboost, there's an ISS Artemis collaboration for that. If you want a more casual sneaker, there's also a collaboration for that you can pick up. If you really dig the color, and if you are a die-hard Ultraboost fan, you might want to buy one today. I will link it down below on where you can buy it. But if you want to wait, then just give it a few months. Maybe it will go on sale, or just buy any of the previous generation Ultraboosts that are currently on big discounts on websites or even in outlet stores. And with that said, that is our quick unboxing and on-feet review of the Adidas Ultraboost 5.0 DNA. Now, before I end the vlog, I just want to do a very quick watch unboxing. To those who don't know, I have a new watch channel. It's a dedicated YouTube channel all about watches. And I picked up a new G-Shock, and I'm going to do the in-depth review of this watch on that channel, but I want to do a quick peek and unboxing for you guys today. This is arguably the most colorful, the most insane, the wildest, and the most attention-grabbing G-Shock I have seen to date. And you will know what I mean when you see it. So if we pop the G-Shock pin up open and we get the watch, you can actually already tell the color just by looking at it through the see-through packaging. And guys, handa na ba kayo? This is it. Take a look at the wildest, most colorful, most insane G-Shock you will see. Bagay to sa space. It's alien levels of funky. Bam! Take a look at how insane that watch is, from the metallic bezel to the dial to even that translucent strap in multiple colors. This is just a crazy, insane G-Shock. Oh man, it is so wild. Very fitting for space. But anyway, so yeah, if you guys want to see like the full review of this one, please do just check it out over at my watch channel. I link down below to my watch channel. I have a bunch of reviews over there, including my recent reviews of the Seiko Naruto collaboration. Guys, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys are okay. As we enter the holiday season, my only thing I want to share with you or remind you is that this is the best time to rediscover what Christmas is all about. We can't go out. There's a pandemic, so let's focus on the things that matter the most, our loved ones and our family. With that said, peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.